Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your US bank credit card login, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your US bank credit card login, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the US bank homepage at www.usbank.com. On the homepage, look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. If you see the Forgot Username or Password link, click on it. You will be redirected to a recovery page. Here, you can choose to recover your username or reset your password. Select the option that applies to you. If you select Forgot Username, enter your account details as requested. These details typically include your social security number and your account number. After entering your information, click Continue. You will receive your username via email or SMS, depending on your registered preferences. If you choose to reset your password, enter your username and click Continue. Next, you will need to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, you can create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After setting your new password, return to the login page. Enter your username and newly created password. Click the login button to access your account. If successful, you will be directed to your account dashboard. If you encounter issues during the process, consider calling US Bank Customer Service for assistance. They can help you navigate through any problems or answer additional questions you may have. Now you are ready to manage your US bank credit card account effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.